Okay, this is a continuation of my Simplicity Broadmoor K57A trans pulley issue. As you can see, this is the original one. You can see the snap ring groove there. You can see this flops around because the splines are wiped out. However, the problem is the original pulley, for whatever reason, is no longer available. Luckily, I ran across one post on the internet where a gentleman had the same problem, and what he was told was that this is the replacement pulley. However, some machining needs to be done. As we take this pulley here and put it on, you can see that's way too tall. The shaft doesn't even come out of the pulley whatsoever. Now, we do this. You can see it's pretty close in respect to the way the belt runs. But this hub, number one, is just a hair taller than the hub at the bottom of this one. So that would bring this back into line, but then you can see the top sticks way up too far compared to the original one. So what would have to happen is that we figure out the depth of this one, and this will just be approximate. So what are we looking at there? We're looking at 0.526, 0.528, and then the new one is 0.621. So what will happen is that I'll get this machine down to equal this, and then I'll have the machinist take the overall depth of this hub like this and machine the top of this down to equal that, so that everything should be equal, and then we'll be able to at least use that pulley, and in the meantime we'll have to order the new shaft, and we'll go from there. Alright, I'll give you an update when I get that all worked out.